The tennis players shook hands after the match. The doctor shook hands with a young girl during the doctor's appointment. The man and woman shook hands. The belly dancer shook her hips. The salesman shook hands with the customer. The cocktail waiter shook the drink in front of the women. The dog shook off the water. The chef shook the food in the frying pan. The earthquake shook the buildings for miles around. The woman shook her head. The boy shook the Christmas present on Christmas Eve because he wanted to guess what was inside. The tennis players shook hands before the match. The football players shook hands in front of the referee. The two female tennis players shook hands over the net. The man shook the bottle and the water went everywhere. The businessman shook hands before the meeting. The businessman shook on the deal.